Today we're gonna make some avocado toast. Get you some power seed bread, avocado, 2 eggs, some butter. We got red pepper flakes, salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper. I'm gonna do 2 slices of bread. A little warm so the butter melts. We'll go ahead and butter up the pan. We'll have this heat on medium. My stove, that's a nice number 4. You want to move the bread around in the pan, soak up all that butter. Get yourself a butter knife. Go ahead and slice into this avocado. So we'll use a spoon. We'll just scoop that out. Want that. I'm gonna go ahead and mash up this avocado. So once it starts to get a little mashed up, we're gonna go ahead and take some of our salt. I like a little garlic powder. You don't have to use garlic powder, but to me it gives a little bit more flavor. So once that's all mixed up, put that to the side, nice and toasted. Pull that off. I shut off the heat. We can go ahead and pull that off. So now just go ahead and put this on. And then we'll go ahead and put the bread back in. Make sure you move the bread around. Soak up all of that butter. Okay, we'll crank the heat back on. So once you get a nice crust on it, right, you want to turn off the heat. We'll go ahead and put it on the plate here. So I like mine a little bit darker on the part that I'm going to put the avocado so it doesn't sog it up, but the bottom part is a nice golden brown. Now you can either put butter or you can put some oil. I'm using avocado oil, and this is what I'm going to cook the egg in. So before we do that though, what I like to do, because the egg's going to go pretty quick and we want to watch it so we don't overcook it, I'm going to go ahead and put on the avocado. So just use the back of the spoon to smooth it out. Now that it's on there, I'll go ahead and turn on the heat. I like to put it on start it off on a low temp, put some oil in, let that oil come up to temperature. Go ahead and crack your egg. Drop it in there nice and softly. So we'll let that cook. Just have it on a medium-low heat here. That should be enough to cook your egg whites without burning it. Once it's pretty much cooked, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and salt it a little. Go ahead and season my eggs here. I'll cut the heat. These kind of touch together, so I'll just very carefully slice it down the middle so it doesn't break apart. When my eggs are cooked, I'll take one. I'll put it right on here. Take the other. Go ahead and put it right on here. Now we just got to put the finishing touches. Some red pepper flakes. If you don't like red pepper, you can skip this if you don't want the spiciness, but I think this adds a little dynamic balance to it. I'm gonna crack some black pepper. And there you go. This is the finished product. We got a nice yolk here. I'm gonna slice right into that. Look at that yolk. We can spread that yolk all around. That just looks delicious. Let's go ahead and try that. Delicious. Boom, done.